What's up, YouTube? On today's video I got this new project. This is a 2016 Jeep Rubicon. I purchased this Jeep online. When you buy cars online, you only see pictures, but you have to see for yourself, like in person, and then you know what's wrong with the car. So when I saw the pictures in the back, I was like, it looks clean. I don't see any. Actually, it doesn't have any damage in the back, but when I saw it, I was like, okay, I think it's good. But at the front, it was a bumper, right? But like a special edition, and I was like, okay, I know it was the frame. It was bent, of course. Like this one looks fine, but check it out right here. Looks like a freaking accordion. So I was like, I can replace only this part of the frame, because I know you can just design and replace this part. But I was like, okay, I can do that, and it's not gonna be expensive because this part is not even expensive. But and then I realized the frame is bent. So I mean, I can't tell if it's bent or not, but it is. So like I said, maybe I regret it, but at this point I have to replace the frame, which is not gonna be cheap. It's gonna be expensive. And I have to replace this whole support, I mean radiator support, fenders, hood, this fender you can still do some body work and some bando and should be fine. Then the hood, same thing. You can, I mean, I can get some aftermarket ones. The grill is like $100. It's not a big deal. But the whole support right here, it's trash. It's old and it's trash. So I think it's gonna be a lot of work in this Jeep to fix it up. So I like the color, but inside it's pretty clean. Leather seats, of course, new airbags, passenger, driver. Like I said, inside it's pretty clean, like a good condition. It's nothing. It's good condition inside. That one, that's called just my touch. So this is what the engine looks like. Pretty much everything is missing. Like I said, it's gonna be expensive to fix it up. So that's it, guys. I don't know if it's a sad day or a good day. Let me know in the comments down below, because I don't know if I wanna keep it or get rid of it. It's gonna be a lot of money to fix this Jeep. I got it for cheap. It was a cheap Jeep. So if you like this video, please subscribe. Let me know in the comments down below. Would you fix this Jeep? Because I don't know. If you wanna see this Jeep all fixed, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, of course, because I think this is gonna be the only way. So see you next video, guys. We'll see what happens.